How's everybody doing? It's Mr. Bernal. What I'm going to go over real quick, and I will bring this over, is what are we going to go over? Perimeter. Okay. So, here on my magic whiteboard, we're going to go over the perimeter, how to find it, also how to find missing lengths of different polygons. So let's take a look. Say I have a rectangle. It's not perfect, but let's say this is 3 centimeters. Let's say this is 1 centimeter. Students have been doing so much work with different polygons and understanding that rectangles, the opposite sides are congruent. That means they have the equal length. So this would be 3 centimeters. And opposite of here would be 1 centimeter. So how you find the perimeter is by adding up the sides. It's basically like a fence. Not how much space is inside of a shape or a polygon, but the outline. Imagine a fence, right? So a perimeter is like a fence. Okay? For this example, we have to add up everything that's on this fence. So we have 3 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeters plus 1 centimeters equals the perimeter. Okay. Okay, add that up. 3 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Sorry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And the answer would be 8 centimeters. So if you were to cut this and put it in a straight line, it would make 8 centimeters. I apologize for the glare. Alright. Now, let's give you another example of a different type of polygon. If I had a polygon that looked like this, and imagine this is a square. Students already know that all the sides are congruent. Remember, congruent just means equal lengths. So let's say I make this 2 centimeters. Because of our previous work with quadrilaterals and knowing that squares have all congruent sides, they should be able to know that this side would be 2 centimeters, this side 2 centimeters, this side 2 centimeters as well. So you add up all the sides. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. It would be 8 centimeters. 8 is the quantity, the amount. Centimeters, the units. When we're being specific, always want to include the quantities in the units. Alright, so let's imagine that we have a shape that looks like this. Okay, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. All right. Let's say this side is 10 centimeters. Let's say this side is 5 centimeters. Let's say this side is 5 centimeters. Let's say this is 12 centimeters. And this is also 10 centimeters. And we're trying to find this missing length. Now, to find the perimeter, you have to add up all the sides. But we don't know this side. Alright? If you see a problem like this, when your children see a problem like this, the perimeter will already be included. So let's say the perimeter is 50 centimeters. That means I need to add up everything that I have and then see how much left until I get up to 50 centimeters. So let's do it. So I have a 10 plus a 10 plus a 5 plus another 5 plus a 12. plus this unknown number will equal 50 centimeters. 10 plus 10 is 20, and usually this is how I have kids do it in the classroom as well. Cross out what we've already used. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Next, we could do 10 plus 12, that's 22. I'll cross those out. 22 plus 20 is 42. Cross that out. So now all we have left is 42 plus this unknown number equals 50. All of these numbers combined together equal 42. So now we're left with 42 plus this unknown number equals 50. A lot of students will count up 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. They could use a number line also, counting up as well from 42 to 50. And they'll get 8. So that unknown number is actually 8. 8. What I see a lot of students confused about as well is that they get this number 8 and they still think their answer is 50, even though they just solved to find this unknown number. So I've been having students circle their number, and then once they check their work, 10 plus 10 is 20, 5 plus 5 is 10, 12 plus 10 is 22, 22 plus 20 equals 42, and 42 plus 8 does equal 50. They'll put a crown on it once they've double checked their answer. This is just for them to kind of go through this process. Some of them rush. Please do not rush. Take your time and go over it with a new lens, like it's a new problem. All right, and check to see if you made any errors, and then put a crown on it. So, perimeter is when you add up all the sides. When there is a missing length, you add up all the sides that you know, and then you see how much further you need to get to the perimeter. All right, so that's essentially it with our work with perimeter. We've been working on polygons. Those are shapes with straight sides and that are all enclosed. And that's about it. Peace.